Ensure all required tools are prepared before starting. Remove the SIM card tray before removing the back cover and screen. Carefully open the back cover using an eagle blade or plastic pry tool. Disconnect the battery connector and remove the battery from the phone. Carefully open the front screen using an eagle blade or plastic pry tool. Remove the motherboard from the phone. Remove the old adhesive using tweezers and adhesive remover. Carefully apply screen glue around the edges of the phone cover. Take out the new replacement screen for the phone. Carefully reconnect the connector back to the motherboard. Carefully place the new battery back into the phone. Screw back the board onto the motherboard. Finally, put back the cover and the SIM card tray. Thank you for watching.